Come test drive the 2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rollover protection system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.